Let's learn fun household chores together in English.
Make my bed. I make my bed every morning.
I make my bed every morning.
Put away my toys. I put my toys back where they belong.
I put my toys back where they belong.
Help set the table. I help Mom set the table before dinner.
I help Mom set the table before dinner.
Water the plants. I water the plants with a small watering can.
I water the plants with a small watering can.
Feed the pet. I feed my cat every evening.
I feed my cat every evening.
Throw the trash away. I throw the rubbish in the bin.
I throw the rubbish in the bin.
Sweep the floor. I help sweep the floor with a broom.
I help sweep the floor with a broom.
Fold my clothes. I fold my clean clothes neatly.
I fold my clean clothes neatly.
Pack my school bag. I pack my school bag before I sleep.
I pack my school bag before I sleep.
Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth after breakfast.
I brush my teeth after breakfast.